With the announcement of the DJI Mini 2 SE, DJI is apparently trying to broaden its horizon by making its products more available to customers. Initially revealed as a more trimmed-down version of the classic DJI Mini 2, how much performance are you willing to sacrifice in comparison? But more importantly, would the cut-down version prove itself to be a better deal? Well, let's find out. A lot of people consider the DJI Mini 2 to be the perfect entry-level drone, especially for its beginner-friendly attributes and a combination of low-skill floor and high-skill ceiling. Announced back in 2020, the DJI Mini 2, for its namesake, kept its design palm size with foldable arms with a weight of 249 grams, meaning you won't need to go to the hassle of registration. There's a 3-axis stabilized camera up front shielded by a removable camera guard, alongside an exposed micro SD card slot and a USB-C port on the back. And above you'll see the battery flap that makes hot swapping a piece of cake. The drone, while not sporting obstacle avoidance sensors on the sides, comes with a few sensors at the base that will help with obstructions down below. Now, the Mini 2 SE cuts the weight down even more, and DJI says that we should expect a weight lesser than 249 grams, basically Apple weight at this moment, making this one of the most compact and convenient drone to ever hit the market. With the idea that this is basically a trimmed-down version of the DJI Mini 2. The only noticeable and important detail you need to know regarding this drone is the camera capability. The DJI Mini 2 has a 12-megapixel camera which will enable you to take shots at multiple intervals, making this an ideal drone for creating stunning time-lapse videos in both JPEG and RAW, alongside other nifty features like auto-exposure bracketing, 3 different types of panoramas, and a lot more. The key ingredient and the standard feature that will help differentiate between the two drones here is the resolution. The DJI Mini 2 comes with a 4K camera with a 3-axis motorized gimbal that gives this drone the capability to click smooth, breathtaking shots. The trimming down concept comes into play right here, where the DJI Mini 2 SE comes in with the same camera sensor, but with the resolution trimmed down to 2.7K. This would make things a lot easier for people who want to buy a drone but don't necessarily need a 4K resolution, but has no other option to go for a DJI Mini 2. With the emergence of the DJI Mini 2 SE, things just got a lot easier for those people who prefer working close to that 2K resolution while not putting much strain on their bank account. Speaking of prices, you can get your hand on the DJI Mini 2 for $449, but you can get your hands on the DJI Mini 2 SE for only $369, making it a fine choice for people who are looking for a more budget-friendly alternative. Basically, if you need all the amenities that the DJI Mini 2 will provide but sacrifice the resolution in favor of a more budget-friendly option, the DJI Mini 2 SE will be a super choice. But if it's 4K you require, then you're better off saving some more and going for the DJI Mini 2. So, that was a comparison video between the DJI Mini 2 SE versus DJI Mini 2. Which one of these drones would you be going for? And why? Do let us know, as we would love to hear from you, and as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.